your mercy. I didn't deserve it, but you gave it all to me. Oh, yeah. There were nights I couldn't sleep at all. Voices in my head felt 10 feet tall, carrying guilt I couldn't erase, running from truth, hiding my face.
I tried to fix it on my own, build my life on sinking stone. Every road just led to pain, like sunshine lost in pouring rain. I was drowning in my mistakes, every move felt like heartbreak. But in the silence, I heard you call. You were there through it all. You never left me stranded in the dark. You saw the tears inside my heart.
Through every fall, you stayed the same.
You called me by my name. God's mercy
came and rescued me.
when I couldn't see, you still believed in me.
God's mercy was my covering.
Through everything, you kept on loving me.
When I was lost in the night, you became my light. Pulled me from despair, showed me you were there. God's mercy changed my destiny. I was chasing things that fade away, living like there's no tomorrow, no today. Searching for peace in broken dreams. Nothing was ever what it seemed. Every high just brought me low, every yes felt like a no, till I fell down on my knees, begging, Lord, please rescue me. Then your love came pouring down, turned my life back around. You took my pain, erased my shame. Now I'll never be the same.
You left me stranded in the dark.
Oh, yeah.
You saw the tears inside my heart.